Hey, what's up, fam? Hey, today I'm gonna show you how to make some absolutely delicious tender baby back ribs. Hey, I'm a boy from the South, and when we get that mop out and we mop those ribs, pork, whatever it is, hey, it's absolutely delicious. Now, let me tell you a little secret. That mop sauce is gonna tenderize that rib, and then it's gonna give it so much flavor. It's gonna change your life. If you never tried this method before, I'm a boy from the South. That's how we do it. That's how we get down. Let me take you down to my workstation. Hey, let's get in the game.
Hey, this is what we're working with today. We got 3 beautiful racks of baby back ribs. Let me show you what I do to get them prepared for my smoker. Now you see the side of this baby back rib. Usually all baby back ribs have this side with this piece of fat on it. What I want to do is I want to trim this down, and I'm trying to achieve the perfect bite. So when it goes on that smoker and throughout the smoke process, it's going to render down. It's going to give you the perfect bite. It's going to give you the perfect balance of rendered fat and then meat. Now, I know a lot of people ask about membranes and then how to remove them. Just get your butter knife, and as you see me doing here, going underneath, lift up on it. And I'm gonna tell you, you don't even need a paper towel. Just use your index finger and then work it from one side to the other. And then once you get to that other side, all you got to do is just lift up, use a little bit of elbow grease. And I'm going to be honest with you, it doesn't take much to take this off. Once you get to the end, give it a little tug, and then there you have it. You got your membrane removed all in one piece. Save your money, save your paper towels. Now, if you see ribs like this, if you get them from the grocery store and they don't have the membrane, this is how they look, so you know if the membrane is on or off. Now, I'm just going to clean up these ribs, get off any excess fat or any excess hanging skin, and then we'll be in the game, be ready to season these ribs up. Now, what I want to do with that last rib right there, I'm going to take that one off, and then I'm going to smoke that in the smoker. That's going to provide a nice quick snack. It'll cook for about an hour, be ready to go. That's what you call party ribs. Now, what I'm going to season these ribs with, I'm going to season too with the sweet preacher, which you see right there. It got a nice little color to it. It'll make your ribs look absolutely phenomenal. And now if you like a little kick, go with that baptizing Cajun. Hey, you'll definitely be in the game. Look at those racks of ribs right there. Don't they look phenomenal?
All right, fam. Hey, you see that fire going? A nice, healthy fire will produce some good, clean smoke. So we got this thing ready to go, 275 degrees. Hey, take a look at these racks of ribs right here. Don't they look absolutely gorgeous? Now we're gonna get these situated on my offset today. Hey, they red like Ferraris. Hey, once they hit that plate, hey, they gone. Can't forget our little party style ribs there. That's gonna cook up real quick. Then we're gonna let this top down, because you already know, hey, fam, if you looking, you ain't cooking. These are the log sizes that I'm using today. Not too big, and they're about 12 inches, that you can see just how thick they are. Yes, sir. Hey, we're gonna get one into this fire and let it smoke up. Yes, sir. Fire up. We're in the game. I'm going with a mop sauce, so I'm just gonna make one simple to get you in the game. We got some garlic cloves. What I want to do is I just want to get these mashed up so it can release its flavor. And then I got some light brown sugar. I want to kind of mimic the flavors that I got on those ribs, so I'm going in with a tablespoon of that sweet preacher. And then we're gonna hit it with some apple cider vinegar. Now we want to place this on that smoker because we want to get this mop sauce heated up. You don't want cold liquid going on those ribs, and that'll slow down your cook. So you want this to be nice and warm. So when you hit it with that sauce, it's almost like spritzing it. You're trying to keep it moist, and then this will start packing some flavor in those ribs. We're in the game. All right, fam. Hey, we're sitting at a little bit over an hour. Hey, this is how these ribs are looking. And again, you see where I chose to go with this mop sauce right here. And we just gonna mop these ribs, keep them moist. We don't want to douse them. Continue to build on that flavor that we got going on. Keep them moist, get them some flavor. Yes, sir. Hit those little party ribs right there. Hey, if you want to know how to make some quick party ribs, hey, click on that card right there on your screen and you'll be in the game. So let me hit it with just a little bit more of that mop sauce. And we're going to close this smoker, because if you're looking, hey fam, you ain't cooking. All right, fam. Hey, this is how we looking. We're a little bit over about an hour and a half or whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and get these mopped again. Like I said, we want to keep them moist. Hey, they looking so delicious, fam. They are looking so delicious. Nice little color on them. And these single ribs right here, hey, they're about ready to come out. I'm gonna let these go for about another 30 minutes or so, but they look good. They look delicious. I don't know if I'm gonna sauce them up. I'll probably just taste them like they are. And hey, we're gonna be in the game. So let's let this top down 30 minutes. We're gonna get these off here and we're gonna get us a little taste test. Yes, sir. Let's drop this hood down. All right, fam. Hey, 30 minutes has passed and take a look at these right here. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? Hey, they ready. They're already done. Like I said, these will be your party style ribs. We're gonna get these off. We're gonna give them a taste test. But what I want to do is I want to flip these ribs, because I would do myself a disservice if I don't get some of that mop sauce on the back side of these ribs. So just be careful. Ooh-wee. Hey, they are getting tender. And yes, these ribs are hot, but you just got to know how to work with them, right? So what I want to do, hit it with a little bit of that mop sauce on the back side of it, like that, and let these go and continue to smoke up. Yes, sir. We're gonna drop this top again, because you already know, hey, if you looking, fam, you ain't cooking. But I gotta get these party ribs off right here. All right, fam. Hey, we got these single bone ribs out. Hey, take a look at that right there. Hey, we're gonna go ahead and give this a taste test. If you like ribs super quick, go single bone style. They call them party ribs, but hey, enough talk. Hey, cheers, fam. So it's still a little bit hot. Yes, sir. Nice, tender, juicy bite. You already see. I gotta smash into this right here. All right, we're in the game. All right, fam, we've been going for a little bit over 4 hours, and we need to check these for tenderness. And I'm gonna be honest with you, that mop sauce will have these ribs nice and tender. Now, a lot of people get stuck on temperatures, but again, hey, if you look at that right there, hey, going in and out like butter. Look at that. Yes, sir. So I'm not even gonna show you the temp on this, but like that, you go into the side profile of these ribs. Hey, it's in and out like butter. So we know these are ready to go. So what we want to do is we want to get these out, let them rest just for a little bit, let them come down in temperature, and then we'll slice these up. But other right there, hey, yes, sir. Doesn't that look absolutely gorgeous, fam? Hey, let me get these other racks off, and we're going to let them rest, and we're going to get them. Ooh, look at that. Yes, sir. They tender. That's that second one. Yes, sir. You can put sauce on the side if you like, but these are gonna be absolutely flavorful. Fam, we got these bad boys in the house. Again, look at that color. Hey, that thing looks absolutely delicious. Juicy. I'm already gonna tell you, I know it's tender. Hey, we're gonna flip these over on the back side. I'm just gonna cut through these. Oh yes, sir. Look at that right there. Nice, juicy. Yes, sir. And this is the rack that I had that sweet preacher on. Not gonna squeeze it, but you see it. It looks absolutely delicious. It smells phenomenal. And look at that mahogany color on that rib right there. Hey, you can't tell me that doesn't look amazing. Yes, sir. All right, fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious no wrap Mop baby back ribs, and you already seen it, man. You seen that bark on there. Yes, sir. They juicy. You already know they tender. Let me tell you what that Mop sauce does. It tenderizes those ribs while it's smoking, and then it gets that nice flavor profile. Yes, sir. You in the game. Hey, cheers, fam. Now that right there, like I said, juicy. Hey, it's tender, and it got a nice little flavor to it. No sauce needed. That Mop sauce, that's all you need right there. I'm telling you, you in the game. You get a bone this clean right here, you already know that rib was absolutely delicious. Now, my boy from the South. Hey, this is how we get down in the South. Hey, South Carolina, stand up. Mop sauce, we in the game. Now, if you're new to my channel, you like content like this, hey, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Tell all your family and friends. Cooking with Manual Focus got you in the game. And for my Focus fam, it's been rolling me for a while. You already know what your boy, the coach, is about to do. I'm about to get back into these ribs, smash into them, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. You in the game.